Dito sa Rosales, may isang espesyal na lugar na kung hindi mo pupuntahan, hindi mo makikita ang kagandahan. Tara, puntahan natin!
Makikita sa Carmentiplex Interchange ang Casa Amarillo na certified ng Department of Tourism as museum o gallery. For only 50 pesos entrance fee for 3 years old and up, madaming makikita from art installations, sculptures, antiques, and recycled art pieces.
So Casa Amarillo, Amarillo is a Portuguese term for yellow, and in our school also, because this is we believe that there are 3 kinds of education, which is human, material, and spiritual. So Casa Amarillo is the form of the spiritual form of education, meaning to say it transcends what the human and material education is. So the name yellow, when we get to see yellow, what do you feel?
Vibrant color.
Vibrant.
Happiness.
You feel happy.
Yes.
You feel excited.
Excited.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So that's what we want to convey to all people, to all our guests, that when you get inside Casa Amarillo, you'll feel happy because there are so many surprises that you get into. In front, it's a very small, but when you are in, there are nooks and crannies that gives you something to ponder. When we conceptualize this place as a weekend getaway, we just wanted to plant trees. And then what is so exciting is that almost 2 decades ago, we've seen all these trees grown up, and we have already helped in mitigating the impact of climate change when it is not that us. We were able to do our part already when the impact of climate change is as not concerning as what we have today. And that's what we want to impart to everyone, that you see all the art installations also, it's one way or another to show people that we can recycle, reuse, but hindi naman siya yung parang pangit na tignan. You can raise it to a higher level and it becomes form of art. I would like to invite everyone to please come and visit Casa Amarillo so that you will be having a piece of our story.
Interesting ang Tiagos Gallery. Dati itong pahingahan ng mga may-ari.
So ito nga yung mga inukit ng mga Cordillerans during the pandemic while they were stranded here. So itong mga to ay gawa sa driftwoods. So ayan, kikita nyo, nandyan. So nakolek siya dito sa place na to.
Itong Sarimanok House naman ay dating kulungan ng mga baka. And with their artistry, na i-transform nila ito bilang isang dressing room.
Iba ang ganda nito sa umaga, pero iba rin ang ganda nito sa gabi. Ang pangalan ng museum na to ay Trinidad. At ang mga nakikita niyong artworks dito ay gawa ni Ma'am Efefania Concepcion at Ma'am Alma Bella R. Santos. At ito, kung makikita niyo to, ito ay gawa sa driftwoods. Pero ang nakakamangha dito ay very artistic yung pagkagawa niya dahil hugis baboy siya. At dito niyo din makikita ang mga gulong ng kuliglig na ginagamit sa mga tradisyonal na pagsasaka. Siyempre, kasama na rin dyan ang pasagad na hinihila ng kalabaw kapag mabigat ang mga palay, bigas o panghila din ng mga dayami kasama ang mga magsasaka.
Maliban sa pagiging artist gallery, isa din itong secret garden na may iba't ibang halaman at orchids. Dahil dito, kinukuha ang Casa Amarillo for special events and photoshoots. Meron ding restaurant with special dishes at accommodations kung nais magpalipas ng gabi.
The next time you plan your visit here in Pangasinan, huwag kalimutang dumaan dito.